You used to paste code into ChatGPT and get code back. That's it. You'd copy it, open a browser tab, paste it into some online editor, run it, see the error, copy that back to ChatGPT. Back and forth, back and forth. OpenAI just ended that cycle completely. Code blocks are now fully interactive. Write code, edit it, and preview it live all inside the same chat window. Mini apps, live diagrams, split screen editing, full screen mode. This is a complete rethink of what it means to code with AI. Let me break down every change. For years, ChatGPT's code output was read-only. You got a beautifully formatted code block, and your only option was to copy it. Run it somewhere else. Debug it somewhere else. Bring the error back. That three-step process killed your flow every single time. Now that's gone. ChatGPT has become an execution environment. You can click directly inside the code block and edit it. Hit preview and see the result render immediately. If something breaks, fix it right there. If you want more room to work, go full screen. The chat and the code are finally in the same place. Before we dive into the features, here's the official demo straight from OpenAI. Pay attention to how fast the loop is, from asking to previewing to iterating, it all happens without leaving the window. This is the workflow change that matters. The most powerful use case is building mini apps directly in the chat. Ask ChatGPT to build you a working calculator, a simple browser game, a form with validation, a data visualization dashboard. Instead of getting back a wall of HTML and JavaScript, you get a rendered, interactive app that you can actually use. Click the buttons. Fill out the form. Test the edge cases. Then tell ChatGPT exactly what to change, and watch it update. You're not debugging code anymore, you're reviewing a working product. Designers, product managers, founders who can't code all of them can now build functional prototypes in a single conversation. The second big addition is live diagram rendering. Ask ChatGPT to diagram your system architecture, and instead of giving you a mermaid code block you have to paste elsewhere, it shows you the actual diagram right there. Flowcharts for your business logic. Entity relationship diagrams for your database. Sequence diagrams for your API flows. User journey maps for your product. You describe what you need in plain English, ChatGPT writes the diagrams back, and you see the visual immediately. If the layout is wrong, just say so. The feedback loop is instant. This alone replaces tools like Draw.io and MermaidLib for most diagram use cases. Two new viewing modes change how you work with code in ChatGPT. Split screen mode puts your chat conversation on the left and your code on the right, side by side. You can scroll through the conversation, reference earlier context, and still see your code at the same time. No more losing track of what you asked for. Full screen mode is the opposite. It hides the chat entirely and gives you the full window for code. When you're deep in a build and you don't want distractions, this is what you use. Both modes signal something important. ChatGPT is no longer just a question and answer interface. It's becoming a real workspace. Let's talk about what this actually means for the industry. Tools like Cursor, Volt, and V0 built entire companies around one problem. ChatGPT gives you code, but you can't run it there. So they built interactive environments on top of AI. That was the gap. OpenAI just filled that gap natively. For simple prototypes, landing pages, quick internal tools, data apps, calculators, you no longer need an external tool. The chat interface is the dev environment. That's a massive shift. It doesn't replace Cursor or Bolt for complex production work. But for the millions of people who just want to build something quick and see it work, ChatGPT just became the first and only stop. This is already live. Go to chatgpt.com, start a new conversation, and ask it to build you something. A game, a calculator, a chart, anything with code. You'll see the new code block experience with the preview button. Play with it. The best way to understand what changed is to use it yourself. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. We cover the biggest AI updates every single day so you never miss what matters. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the first app you're going to build with this? I'll see you in the next one.